Good morning, you guys. Hope you are having a great day. So I'm going to be sharing my productive day with you guys. This particular morning started off with me doing my hair. I don't really put a lot of products in my hair, so in order for me to slick it back, which I really don't have a brush or a comb, all I have is my paddle brush, I just added a little bit of water to my hair just to slick it back, and then I'm going to tie it up. I'm gonna just be cleaning and doing some light things around the house, but I didn't want my hair in the way. I think I washed it about maybe 2 days ago, something like that. So I'm just kind of putting it up in a ponytail. And let me just say, I'm really enjoying seeing how my hair is flourishing after my chop, which I'm almost on a year now. So pretty much this is how much my hair has grown within a year. So I'm really happy about that. But once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth. I am using the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I've shared it in the past. Now that I'm done brushing my teeth, I'm moving on to washing my face. And for this, I am using Pharmacy. I mentioned this young lady before, and let me mention her again. The Golden RX recommended the Pharmacy, and I have definitely been loving it. It's a little pricey, but I have been loving it so much. I am also implementing the 60-second rule. If you haven't tried it, you have to, because my face feels so good. And trust me, after washing your face for 60 seconds, you're definitely going to wake up and it just kind of starts your day off really right. I know I'm using a washcloth. This is a really nice soft washcloth. This is part of the Hotel brand from the sheet towel that I purchased, so it's not rough on my skin whatsoever. And what I'm doing is really patting my face with it and not scrubbing really hard. That way I don't kind of like bruise my skin at all. But once I'm done doing that, I'm fan drying my face. Now that I'm done washing my face, what I'm going to be doing is going in with my Curology. A few of you guys have been asking me recently, am I still using it? And the answer is yes, which is why you're not seeing those, here and there breakouts that I normally would have to deal with. Even when I don't do 4 or 5 step skincare routine, I do wash my face and add the Curology at least. I feel like it's the least thing that I can do to my skin. You're supposed to apply it nightly, but to be honest with you, if I forget to add it at night, I will do it in the morning. And last night I did not add the Curology on, which is why this morning I am going to go ahead and apply it on to my face, and that is pretty much it. Now that everything is all done, I headed downstairs. I did take a shower, and pretty much what I'm doing now is washing my hands because I'm going to start making myself some breakfast. Something else that I should mention to you guys is in this video, I also made dinner. It was going to be way too long, like an hour long, and I knew you guys was going to miss a lot. So I did take the cooking part out. If you're interested in seeing that, I'm definitely open to sharing it because the dinner turned out amazing. I made barbecue chicken with my mixed vegetable. I did share it on Instagram, so if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram. I have been going live and stuff and just talking with everyone, just random conversations, nothing too serious, but I'm really excited for my breakfast, you guys. I'm so excited for my breakfast. It is a loaf of bread that I purchased from Publix. Before I go any further, let me just go ahead and share with you guys because I am so excited to share this part. While that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my special loaf. You guys, this is the last bit of my bread from Publix. I'm gonna see if I can get 4 slices out of it. Maybe not. Oh gosh, I'm not normally accustomed to using this knife. I guess I'm gonna get 3 slices out of it. It's all good. I'm gonna make me a nice big old hunk of sandwich with it. That's fine. So this is the cranberry walnut loaf. It's $4.99. For a bread to be so inexpensive and so intoxicating, it should be a crime. Now I know I'm making a healthy dinner, but this right here, this right here, this right here, this is so freaking good. But you're gonna bathe that thing in some butter, because what I'm gonna do is I'm going to make it on top of the stove. Okay, ooh, listen to that thing sizzle. Sizzle. That thing is sizzling. And while that's going on, I'm gonna get my little utility knife and shake this off in the sink. I'm gonna go ahead and slice my banana. It's so good. I'm gonna get that banana. I like when my banana's like this. I can't eat a ripe banana. It's just entirely too mushy. And again, I'm gonna do that slant cut with the banana. Ooh. That is so good. I made this on my live, you guys, and this thing, I'm trying to tell you, if you've never tried it, you see how the bread already is getting soft? Oh my gosh. And it's really the butter and cooking it on top of the stove is what makes this thing so good. And I like the all clad because it keeps the temperature the same all over. What I'm going to be using is monkey butter. Unfortunately, there isn't a link. I can't tell you where to get it. I went to this local farmer. They were selling it, okay? The next thing that I'm going to be using is the raw honey. Again, I purchased this from the same farmer. And then I'm going to be going in with some creamy peanut butter. And then I have the Sargento. This is the white cheddar with cranberry and nuts because this is the same that's on here. Oh, you guys, look at that. Ooh, this one's real pretty. Look at that. Nice and toasty. Toasty. Let me cut that heat up just a little bit more. And then I'm having my orange juice. And let's not forget the sliced bananas. I'm excited. The loaf started off really hard, right? That heat and that butter, now it's all soft and gooey. It's almost like having French toast. Look at how that thing, it's hot, okay? I don't have any tongs. I'm gonna try to order some this week. If you don't have the bread, you can use the bagel. I'm just gonna let you know now it's not the same. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the bread, start putting it here. Ooh, y'all. Take the pan off the eye because it's hot, all right? First things first is I'm gonna do a little peanut butter. I did it backwards the other day, but today we're gonna get it right. Put a little peanut butter inside, peanut butter outside, jelly inside, peanut butter. Okay, gonna do a little peanut butter. Now the monkey butter is pineapple, applesauce, and something else, honey, and banana, I believe. Okay, all right. So that right there. Okay. The next thing you want to do is do the monkey butter. Ooh, y'all. This is good. This is really good. Don't be shy with it, okay? Please don't be shy with it. Ooh. This is how it's really done. Just take a little bit off of that so I can put right there. Yeah. Okay. Then, the banana. If you hear me breathing hard, it's because I'm excited. I'm ready to eat it. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm gonna go ahead and eat these bananas because it's good for you. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up too because don't forget, okay, put the lid back in here. Then you want to take the honey, and it still has the comb in there, and you want to drizzle the honey. Don't worry about it. All over that. Don't be shy with it. Okay. Here goes the honey. I can't wait, y'all.
Y'all, when I tell you this thing is so good. I was live the other day and I made it, and when I got to the last bite, I felt like I was gonna cry. My eyes got so teary and watery. I was like, what is going on? It's so good. The guy, well, the lady that sells this, she was like, I was like, what is monkey butter? She was like, oh, it's good. And I said, you're not really saying it like that. She was like, no, it's good, but you know, it's an acquired taste or something, she said. I was like, I'm like, you know what? I'll purchase, I think it's if you buy 3, you get 1 or something like that. I was like, you know what? I'll purchase it. If it's not good, I won't buy it again. What's the harm? You know, I'll try it. Man, I'm not really sure how she was using it, but Lord have mercy. That monkey butter is amazing. And I don't know if it's the bread. I don't know if it's the combo of what I'm doing that's making it so good. Because I already eat the honey and banana. But y'all, when I tell you how good this thing is, you have to just trust me. The butter is good. It gives a little bit of saltiness, and then the corner of the bread is like really crispy. Y'all. I'm gonna finish cleaning, or I'm gonna eat first, you know, and I'm gonna clean, and then I'll show you guys the end result of dinner. Ooh, you guys, here goes the barbecue chicken, and then I moved the vegetables to the bottom on warm. But let me pull this out real quick so you guys can see this, because this right here is my y'all, look at this vegetable. And I'm sorry, but my camera lens is making this look so good. Let's do a quick zoom in, Canon. Let's zoom in for the people, Canon. Woo! That's that Real Housewives kind of cooking right there, boy, I tell you. Let me get a little bit of that. All right, I'm about to go put the barbecue sauce on and then call these boys to eat. That look good. What y'all eating today? What y'all making? Comment down below. So you guys, I am on IG Live right now, and I'm gonna be doing the measurement for all of my drawers. They're gonna keep note of everything, so yeah. For everyone that was like, you don't have no, I'm gonna get it together. Promise. What I'm doing now is measuring inside of the drawer, and for this, I'm measuring the height of it, the width, and also how deep it is. That way, whatever I order is gonna fit into the drawer, because I'm gonna have to kind of gauge whatever's online to place my orders for everything. Now that I'm done with the kitchen, I'm moving into the master bath. Yes, I still don't have a mirror. I was hoping I was gonna find something at Home Goods, but because everything is closed, I don't have anything. I did talk to the guy about my closet, so hopefully soon, right after quarantine is over, I can get my closet installed. But I did paint the room. I'm going to show you guys that once I get done measuring the bathroom.
All right, you guys, I am all done. If you guys are wondering, I am using my Hearts tool. I love, love, love this measuring tape. I told you guys about it before. You can hold it out super, super long and it won't bend. So I can measure the wall, measure things by myself without having to, you know, put my leg up, do all this extra stuff. All right, Heart tools. I'll leave it in the description box down below because you can only find it at Walmart. You guys, here's my room. So this is the first coat. It's gonna need about 2 more coats. I did do satin, and I did satin in the ceiling and also the walls. It's trying to focus, but everything is very like blanche right now. I love it. You can't even tell that I knocked that doggone wall down. You can't even tell. And it added so much space into the room. It didn't work for it to like go in here and turn, but this, it worked so nice. And I didn't have enough paint, so inside didn't get done, but inside's gonna get done too. But look at that, y'all. It looks so good. I'm sorry, it's not focusing the way it should because everything is so white. But it looks really good. The base trim is not on just yet, but it will. And then let me turn this way. I'm gonna put it on my phone. I'm so excited because what I did is I have already taken brown paper, which I did record. I'm gonna show you guys so my mirror can go there. Can you imagine? Like when that gold trim goes on the wall and the walls are so bright, it's gonna look amazing. I wanted this room to be super, super white, so when I recorded, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys. Like when I did try on hauls, like I'm gonna be in here doing try on hauls and bag hauls and makeup and all that stuff. I didn't want any distractions in the room. I wanted to be able to be in here and just have a really, really clean palette, which is another reason why I wanted all my cabinets to go to be white. That way it doesn't have like any hindrance. So I think I'm gonna put like my neutral shoes and neutral clothing in here and then do all of my color and bright things in the bedroom closet. But I think once I get the room done, you guys are gonna like the new, clean. This is probably gonna be the only white room in the house. Everything else is gonna have a little bit more color, but I love it. And let me show you the master real quick. You guys, there goes the master. So the walls is frosty white. I know you guys are gonna ask. And then the ceilings is alpaca. I told you guys I love the color. I do have some details going on the ceiling. It's gonna be so freaking pretty. I'm so excited. But for right now, my room just looks crazy. I did sleep in here last night on the bed, just took the plastic off, but I'm excited. It looks so good. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. Hope this motivates you to get some things done around your house. When I start painting my office, I'll do a how-to paint video, but I was really frustrated yesterday and I was just like, let me just do what I can and then I'll think about doing a how-to later. But this is pretty much an update. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.